Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about Figma components and variants. So let's start with a new design file. Uh, I have created already, so I will use that one. Okay. So here you can see the artboard is blank. So let's take a frame. You can take a frame or rectangle. So let's take a frame and name it as a parent. And then you have to mark it as a component from the control panel. So once you click this icon, the parent frame has become a component. So now the thing is you only have to copy this parent, and the copied version is automatically become a variant of that main component. Basically children of that parent component. Difference between parent and child. you know so whatever parent has properties will be reflected into the children, but the properties which are into the children won't get reflected into parent. So this same behavior we can see in the Figma parent and components. Like if I color this main component, then the children also takes its properties. But if I change the properties of children, then it's not vice versa. Yeah, so that was the component and variant in Figma.